Hi everyone, it's Joanna. Welcome to my channel. We have another cook with me recipe because we're all on water lockdown and we're all cooking. So I'm going to make my favorite potato salad. It's very light. It's not at all fatty. It's not at all fatty. It's what my mum makes, and I really love this recipe. My boyfriend has tried it. He really likes it, and it's one of our favorite recipes. Very easy to make. The only things you need are potatoes, you need onion, you need parsley, vinegar, salt, and a nor or oxo, and olive oil. That's it. So I'm going to show you. Now, let's start this recipe. Depending on how many potatoes you want and how big you want the salad to be, you choose as many potatoes as you want. Now, I have this bowl here. It's a medium-sized bowl I got from Wilko, those plastic ones. So we have about 7. If you think about it, these are going to be boiled, so it's going to come down. So you won't have that many in the... It won't be this much when it's cooked. It will be a bit less. So it's up to you. Now I'm going to slice these up, but in small pieces so they boil quickly. It's the way you would probably boil them if you were making mashed potato. It is going to be a little bit like that. So let's see. You can get a sense of how small I want the pieces, like this big, not bigger than that. Okay, so what else do you need? You're going to need parsley. You're going to need onion, and I will put in an oxo. I like the flavor of it, so I put it in my potato when I'm boiling the potatoes. So it's up to you. Now, it's up to you how much onion you want in your salad and how much parsley you want. I'll show you what I will use for mine, and then you just decide based on whatever you prefer, what you like. Okay, so this is my parsley and all my onions, and I'll show you in a bit how much vinegar and how much olive oil I'm going to put in. So my potatoes are in the bowl, and now I'm going to mix everything in. Oh, sorry, you can see my hand there, sorry. I'm going to mix it all up. I'm going to add my vinegar, salt, and olive oil. Now, my family produces olive oil, so this is how much I would put on it. Okay, and I'll show you a bit of vinegar. So in terms of vinegar, I would just put like a squirt or 2. That's it. Okay, so you mix everything up. It should look something like this. You keep on adding salt and vinegar or olive oil depending on what flavor you like, and that's the potato recipe. So let's see, what else do I have for you? Extra information. For a kick, you may want to add some capers in it because it might be yummy. Okay, let's move on to recipe number 2. What you need is feta, some onion, tomato, pepper, and I have garlic, parsley and oregano, which I'm going to use here, and olive oil. We're going to put this in the oven to make feta cheese in the oven. You'll probably need some crackers as well to go with this, and your potato salad. So yeah, let's move on to making this while the potatoes are still boiling. This is my previous recipe. Crumble up your feta before you put it in there. So I've made it into smaller pieces. I haven't used all the feta because I'm going to put the onions and everything else, so yeah. Chopped up the onion into really small pieces. Now I'm going to do the same with a little bit of the pepper, and I'm going to grate the tomato. So I've put in a little bit of pepper. I've grated my tomato. I put on as much garlic as I wanted, just sprayed it all over. Parsley all over, oregano all over. I'm going to put some olive oil on top, and then I'm going to cover it in, what's it called, foil. Put it in the oven. I have it at about 180, sorry. I'm going to leave it there for about 15 minutes. Going to show you in a bit. So this is what it looks like, all drizzled and mixed. I'm going to cover it in olive oil, in foil, and put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, so this is what the feta will look like. You take it out and you just put like spoonfuls on bread or crackers or something like that. You leave it in the oven for about 15 minutes and enjoy. So thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you like watching recipes, let me know so I can continue filming them. I enjoy cooking these days, so that's why you're seeing these videos. Have a nice day. Bye.